Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on what time you are tuning in. My name is Rachel Goldsworthy, and what do they say? Spring has sprung, the grass is green, so I wonder where the birdies is. First day of spring, you can certainly tell it in the air, you can tell it in the sunshine of each day, you can tell it from the birds are getting out and nesting and doing their thing, and it's really pretty to see. And I also had the lizards come back into the backyard, which was really nice. And obviously they're getting ready to have little babies as well. The duality of today too, sunshine on one side and steady on the other. So I hope you're having a good start to spring. Daffodil Day as well that we had. I did the cold dip for daffodil. We raised a few dollars for that. So that's always fun and good to do. What else happened? Happy birthday to my mother. Happy, I won't say how many years you are, but amazing. You don't look a day over, well, 21. Isn't that the case? I hope you all have whoever is having a birthday today, that you have a wonderful day ahead. I know there's some celebrations planned for my mum. They had a campaign at the Spring Fair and they did really, really well with that. So I'm super proud of mum and dad for everything that they've done with the Scottish Terrier Club. And also, you know, the breeding that they've done over the 50 odd years, and just amazing, amazing things that they've done. So a big happy birthday to you, Mum. I hope you have a wonderful day and a good week ahead. And we're going to continue the celebrations into the whole week, I believe. So that's going to be good as well. The next cause that I'm going to do is a 100-kilometre walk for epilepsy. So, you know, that's going to be a bit of fun as well. That will be in October. So anybody that can join me on that journey, and that will be good. The sign behind me: dream big, live simply, give love, be grateful, and laugh lots. Because life's too short not to be any other way, isn't it? And I'm really looking forward to a lot of things that I've got coming up this week, but I'm just super excited to share Mum's birthday with her. And also little Brucey, he's not so well today. He's at the vet's. He's having his a little bit of an operation, but we hope everything goes well for him, which I'm sure it will. And I'm looking forward to having him back up on deck as our mascot at the office very, very soon. So also very exciting, I bought you can't see it behind me, but a stand-up paddle board. Because spring is here, it's getting warmer. I was down in Tasmania in the last couple of weeks, and Tassie was beautiful, but you could almost walk around in shorts and t-shirts. It was just so wonderful. Normally you have the dusting of the snow on the top of Mount Wellington, and I could see Mount Wellington and I could see the Derwent River. I went down to see Lady Nelson, which is one of the tall ships down there, and they do tours. So next time I go down there, I'm going to be taking a tour with them up the Derwent River and jumping on the sails and the mast and sailing the very calm seas of the Derwent River. But they're a great bunch of people. Big shout out to Krista and her crew there. They're very experienced volunteers, and it's all for a really good cause. The people get a lot of experience with their sailing, but they also get a lot of learning lessons, because I think sailing can teach you so many different things, whether it's patience or how to choose the winds or how to choose the days to go and sail. And it's kind of saying the same thing in life, isn't it? Sometimes you've got to choose the days that you do certain activities, or choose the certain days that you do certain things, whether it's in the business, whether it's with the kids at home, whether it's with the family, or whatever it might be. So it's always good to just sit back and like I did meal prep yesterday, made a few meals for the week ahead, and I don't always get it right, but it certainly helps set me up for the week ahead, and it's all about living simply and just doing the simple things. I spent time with family and friends on the weekend. I'm going to spend some more time with family and friends this week, and it just tops the cup up, doesn't it? Because when you're out with family and friends, you're having belly laughs together, and you're talking about old times, you're talking about present times, you're talking about things you're going to do in the future together. And it gives you a little sense of excitement, a little sense of nostalgia, a little sense of, dreaming big together. And it's just been a really, really nice week. And it was great to get away to Tasmania. I saw some flora and fauna. little red scarlet robin was in the nature reserve that I was walking around, and national parks were flanked where I was staying. Just going down to the Salamanca markets and the Derwent River and Mount Wellington, and just going for a drive in and amongst it all, because I went down to Cygnet as well, caught up with some friends. They were building it's a different type of build, which has got me curious about the new builds and the different styles of builds that can be made into a new build but made it look like an old build. So this was a rammed earth build, and the rammed earth is basically, as it says, just earth that's rammed together with gravel and dirt, those sorts of things, and then they make it into a really nice block. It's like a Besser block, but it's an earth looking, a mud brick sort of block, and it's about a metre by half a metre, and then they stack those. Oh, Topsy's got her new collar on, and she might come out. Topsy, you going to come over and say hello to everyone? How is everybody tonight? You all well? Toppy, come over here. She might pop in for a visit in a second. Come on, Tops. And this rammed earth was just wonderful. Like, they'd done such a great job of it, and it was really quite a simple build, and I think the build was about $145,000. Oh, she's going to come up. All right. Okay. So Topsy's had a little bit of a haircut, you can see. So there she is. Say hi, Toppy. Say hi. That's a new collar. She put a new collar on. I don't know if she's that impressed, but anyway, this rammed earth work that they did, it's really gone up in the last couple of months, and obviously you have to put your plans into council and those sorts of things, but it worked really well and got this beautiful view over the bay together, and yeah, just a really nice place to be. That you're right there, Tops. Oh, it's a bit uncomfortable. She's going to say goodbye to everyone. You're going to say goodbye to everyone? No, you're going to sit there for a little bit longer. Yeah, so it was really, really nice build, the ram earth. And yeah, they're really happy there. They're overlooking the view of the bay, and they've got the mountains in the back and lots of other things too to see. And Cygnet Bay, obviously, because there's lots of swans. Beautiful. And the swans mate for life. And reminds me of my grandfather. He used to take us all down to Swan Lake, and we used to canoe down in Swan Lake, which is a different lake to Cygnet, but just the same. It's really nice memories of family and friends and those sorts of things. So I hope everybody has a wonderful week ahead. Continue to dream big, to continue to live simply, continue to give lots of love and cuddles, as Topsy does to me, and lots of love to Bruce too. He's going to be well, I hope, by next week after his operation. We're going to give him lots of love, aren't we, Bruce? Topsy? And we're going to laugh lots when he comes back, as I did on the weekend, catching up with friends. I played matchmaker with a couple of friends who have been best friends, or I've been best friends with them for sort of 25, 30 years, and I thought, oh, they might be a good couple together. So we'll wait and see whether that works out. I'll keep you posted. And I think that's about us. And be grateful. Be grateful for what we have, because the moment that we have at the moment is all that we do have. So past is gone. Future's not here yet. And the present is a present in itself, isn't it, Tops? And she loves her new collar. I think, do you like your new collar? Hey, do you like your new collar? I think she does. She's looking forward to seeing Bruce come back this afternoon, because she's missing him. And you want to go for your walk? Do you want to go for your walk? Yeah, we might go for a little bit of a walk, and she knows exactly what that word means. Well, I hope you all take yourselves for a walk with your family and friends, or just yourself maybe, in the sunshine. Enjoy the first day of spring and what springtime has. Hopefully we've had the last of the August winds, which have gone over the weekend, and I'm going to use my stand-up paddleboard on the river and also on the ocean, and just in some of the estuaries, and just do a little bit of exploring. It's going to be fun, lots of fun. All right then, take care of yourselves and each other, and I look forward to catching up with you on the next episode. Bye for now. Topsy says bye, and we're off to go for our walk, aren't we? Gonna go for a walk? Totally, we're going for a walk now. See you later, bye.